How to retrieve deleted text messages on any Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can restore deleted text messages on any Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First up, Google Backup is the first option. If your phone had SMS Backup turned on, then you can restore your deleted messages by resetting your device and restoring it from your Google account. Open up Settings in your device, scroll down, head over Google. Then you have to tap on the profile, or if you can see here, there is an option for backup, which is currently turned off. So if your SMS were backed up, you could find or you could restore it. So once you're here, make sure that the backup is turned on. And if you have factory reset your device, you have to set up your phone again and sign in with the same Google account, and you have to select your most recent backup to restore your messages. But if you factory reset your device, that will erase all of your data. So first of all, back up your important stuff, then factory reset, after that sign in with Google account, and then restore your messages to your Google account. That's it. That is a method that will help you retrieve your deleted messages on your Android device. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and stay tuned for more videos.